Hi, I'm Mindy, working for a food company. My job is to contact food suppliers, including requesting quotation, placing orders, confirming orders, etc. Depends on the suppliers, they have different habits. There are several different types of forms. Suppliers also sort their products in different formats, such as production date, place of origin, type of ingredient, etc. So I need to reorganize all the forms when I receive them. Put all the supplier's data into my form and copy and paste. It really wastes a lot of time, and when Excel crashes, I have to start all over again. After weeks of frustration, I decided to look for an online database system and found that many users recommend using Ragic. I signed up for a free trial immediately and designed a form on Ragic for my suppliers. I also noticed that I can easily set access rights on Ragic so that my suppliers can only view and edit their records. I don't have to worry about data security anymore. After a week of using Ragic, my suppliers reacted pretty positively to the software. Finally, I don't need to keep on doing copy and paste. Now I have more time working with my suppliers with smarter technology. Ragic, incredibly fast way to build DB applications. Please visit us on www.ragic.com for more information.